ребята делают классную работу, развивают рынок образования и профессиональное сообщество. Я считаю, что за интересным, классным, живым, энергичным образованием будущее, и нам его нужно всем вместе обсуждать.
Today's event I thought was pretty wonderful in terms of bringing together a lot of people who are passionate about education and thinking about how to do things in new and innovative ways. I do it because I think it is our responsibility to prepare the next generation to lead this world, to make decisions of consequence that impact society. And I think it is our job to prepare them with education that matters. And I think it's important that as educators we come together and we share best practices and ideas so that we can make it better and better going forward.
Spent 2 hours, well actually the first hour, talking about peer feedback and what that means. And we spent the second hour more of a simulation to see how educators in the room can start using it in their classroom, starting next week or this week.
I was delighted to be able to speak to a group of teachers from other countries because I come from an American context and wasn't sure of what I knew and how it would apply to the students in the class.
It is interesting that most of the teachers and directors in Russia, they're interested in innovation and they are looking forward not only data that is going to transform the education, but also the working with a child as a child with his heart and the soul. Thank you so much.